bent over rows with the kettlebells. He can do them off of a bench, which is really probably the easiest way to do it.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that kettlebell training can improve your strength, endurance, flexibility, stability, and balance all at the same time? It's like a full-body workout in just one piece of equipment. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, first one we're going to do here is the Goblet Squat with a kettlebell. So, hoist that up to chest level. Elbows in and pointing straight forward. Or as much as you can have. Yeah, like that. And now, like that, squat as low as you can. Good. Keep going. Do 3 more. Good, right there. Now we're going to do clean and press. Now we are doing a kettlebell series, right? But Arthur here is having a little bit of a balance and coordination issue with the kettlebells because by nature the kettlebells are an uneven, more unbalanced weight that adds to their effectiveness, but it also makes it difficult to coordinate with these. But we know you can do these with the dumbbells. So he's going to demonstrate with the dumbbells. You can try it with the kettlebells. If it's too hard, you can, I would say, like regress back to the dumbbells. It should be fine. All right, ready? So basically you're doing like a deadlifting type of movement. Boom, straight up overhead. One smooth motion. Now it's called the clean and press. And the clean is throwing it up to your shoulder level. And the press is obviously pressing overhead. I like to do it in one smooth motion. But you can kind of break it down in 2 parts where you clean it up to your shoulders, stop for a second, and then press it overhead. That's good right there. All right, now we're going to do rows, bent over rows with the kettlebells. So we got 2 of them. You can do 1 arm at a time. He can do them off of a bench, which is really probably the easiest way to do it. One knee is on the bench. One arm is rowing off to the side. The other arm is supporting you on the bench. But this one we're going to do both kettlebells at the same time. All right, so hinge at the hip, bend over. So your upper body's about parallel with the floor. Pull towards your waist. So the kettlebells come kind of outward. You're obviously not going to pull them, or you can't pull them straight up. You'd be bashing yourself in the knee. These can all be done with dumbbells if you don't have kettlebells or you can't control the kettlebells well enough. But the kettlebells add another element of being a lot less balanced. That's good right there. All right, now we're going to do some kettlebell swings. Traditionally, you do them with a wide stance, toes angled out. But this one's going to be both kettlebells at the side, feet a little bit closer. It should be a little easier balance-wise. But Arthur here is going to give it a shot. Ready? Go. Better. Watch the knees. Watch the legs. No need no broken kneecaps. Okay, not terrible. Push the hips back over more at the waist. It's hard. Good, right there. Not terrible. All right, now we're really going to experiment here. We're going to try to do the Turkish Get Up. Unfortunately, this is a kettlebell circuit, but the only kettlebells we have are too heavy. So we're going to go with a really light dumbbell. Just practice the move. But you can, if you can handle the weight, you can do it with a kettlebell. All right, ready? That arm that has the dumbbell, straight up in the air, pointed toward the ceiling as much as possible the whole time. Bring that foot up flat on the ground. Push up with your arm. Push up with your arm. Push up. Now bring the other foot flat on the ground. That leg goes underneath. Come up on one knee. Yeah. All right. Not terrible. Back down.
It's hard.
Talk about hard. Now switch hands. See if we can do that. No. That foot's flat. Left foot flat. Right leg slips retreating.
Oh, yeah.
You come up on that knee. Watch that mirror. Sorta, kinda.
That side is a lot worse.
Okay, not really. One knee, sit back down, lay back down, legs go straight. That's it. Not terrible. Need some work.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences with kettlebell training in the comments below. If you're new to kettlebell training, be sure to check out our other fitness videos for more tips and insights to help you achieve your fitness goals.